Hello and welcome to Indian Markets Unveiled, the podcast where we decode the Indian financial markets. Here we start a fresh new week where Deven Choksey and his team is ready to discuss a power-packed day with you. Are you ready to take the best out of the rising markets and the opportunities which Indian markets showcase even in volatile environment? If yes, listen to this podcast till the end. A quick reminder to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our daily insights. Hello everyone, it's 25th of September 2023 and we have got a lot to cover today. But before that, we are happy to inform that our exclusive research is constantly giving fruitful returns to our customers. If you wish to avail the same, we invite you to join us. Let's begin by taking a quick look at the markets. India's benchmark stock indices opened mixed higher on Monday after the markets witnessed heavy downfall as the domestic equities recorded worst weekly losses in nearly 7 months on Friday's session. At pre-open, Sensex was up around 75 points at 66,084 levels, while Nifty was up a bit around 19,687 levels. In today's session, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Maruti Suzuki, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Asian Paints are positively trading, whereas Larsen & Toubro, Reliance Industries, Infosys, Axis Bank, TCS are negatively adding to the change. If we have a look at the indices, the Nifty on a weekly chart is forming a long bearish candle, which indicates that weak sentiments is likely to continue in the near future. Although the short-term structure of the market looks extremely volatile and more on a weaker side, the oversold signals also suggest a quick pullback rally in the near future. For Bank Nifty, 45,000 mark acts as a crucial resistance level and chances are that it may slip to the level of 44,300 and even 44,000 if further weakness continues. Let us now take a quick look at the important triggers, the events for the session. Today, JSW Infra IPO has opened with a price band of around 113 to 119. Updater Services Limited IPO has also opened up in today's session, the price band of around 280 to 300. Ratnavir Precision Engineering, the company is set to post its quarterly results. However, Vishnu Prakash Arpunglia will also post its quarterly results today. Strides Pharma board meeting on CDMO business is an important event which is to be taken into consideration. However, Sheela Foam board meet to decide QIP issue price is another trigger for the day. L&T buyback is closed today with a buyback price of around 2,200. However, CRM SIP buyback is going to open with a buyback price of 720. Now let's take a look at a few noteworthy stock-specific events and also a few other stocks which are making rounds on the back of news. Bajaj Finance said the board of directors will hold a meeting on 5th of October to consider raising of funds through preferential issue and qualified institutional placement, that is QIP. State Bank of India has raised 10,000 crore at a coupon rate of 7.49% through its fourth infrastructure bond issuance. The investors were across provident fund, pension fund, insurance companies, mutual funds, corporates, etc. The proceeds of the funds or the bonds will be utilized in enhancing long-term resources for funding infrastructure and the affordable housing segment. Another stock which is making news and taking into consideration today itself is Delta Corp, which has received an intimation from the Directorate General of GST Intelligence Hyderabad for payment of an alleged tax liability of 11,139 crore along with interest and penalty from July 2017 to March 2022. So news-based impact is witnessed on the stock as well. Further, if the company fails to do so, the show cause notice will be issued to the company. The amount claimed in the DG notice is based on the gross bet value of all the games played at the casinos during the relevant period. So a news-based impact is witnessed on Delta Corp in today's session. Sri Renuka Sugar is also in news as the company has received board approval for entering into binding agreements to acquire Anamika Sugar Mills for 235 crore to establish presence in Uttar Pradesh. Shares of Equity Small Finance Bank rose around 1% after a huge block deal. Around 3 million shares of the lender changed hands in the block deal. However, the details of the buyers and sellers were unknown. So all in all, the markets on a Monday session are volatile and concerns are still prevailing. And among the sectoral gainers, buying is seen in the auto, bank, metal and realty, while selling is witnessed in capital goods, IT and power sector. Let us now quickly drive our attention to the currency market and the bullion market. Rupee weakened against the US dollar by 11 paise to open at 83.05 against the US dollar today. However, if we have a look at the bullion market, gold and silver witnessed high volatility and recovered from 1-month low after the Bank of England, Swiss National Bank and the Bank of Japan kept interest rates unchanged. So this is how the market trend looks like at the start of the week. The markets are volatile, and in uncertain scenarios, one needs to be extremely cautious. Taking the right decision is what will give you an upper edge. Research is the backbone of successful portfolio creation. Wealth creation is an art we understand. We have our exclusive research services which is proven to be successful. Our research service has a success ratio worth having a look at. To avail our exclusive services, we invite you to join us. Just click on the link below and that's it. Fill in your basic details and our team will reach out to you. Let us together explore the world of wealth creation. Thank you.